This piece of shit's off again. Can you see him? He's fast asleep on the sofa, drugged up no doubt, blasting reggae out, which he's not listening to because he's out of it. But that's not good enough. No, he's got to open his doors and windows so we can all share along with him. He won't be working. He'll be pouncing off the state. And if that's not good enough, he's pissing on the state he's pouncing off of. Piece of shit. It's now 11:40 at night. As far as I know, he hasn't woken up. Music's still playing. I can hear loads of people in there now. It's midnight, by the way, just gone. Sounds like there are loads of people in there. This is what it sounds like on the same floor. So what's to be done? Well, in a world I'd want to live in, which is certainly not this one, I'd report this to BPHA, I'd tell them the flat number of the person concerned, they would write them a stern letter, perhaps visit them, and say, if this happens again, we will be taking you out of this flat and throwing you on the street. Your choice. And they would follow through with that threat. In the actual world we live in, they'll try and ignore me, they'll refer me to the council, they'll invite me to fill in nuisance logs, and all in all, nothing will be done for as long as is humanly possible, because that's the easiest course of action and it has no impact on their revenue stream. That's the way of the world as far as I can see it.